wanted to make this quick video to recap today's live session trade that we took on a live session on June 8th, 2021. And just want to give you a quick overview on the thought process that was behind that GbpUsd trade. So first and foremost, we studied the dollar index, and what I saw on the dollar in the beginning of the day, I did see us having this fair value gap here that I knew we would have to fill, and just seeing the momentum of us hitting that bearish order block and also filling in this fair value gap here on the daily chart, I knew the momentum was to the downside. We saw this swing high. So had the high, the lower high to the left, the lower high to the right. It was this candle specifically that I was just anticipating because it didn't break that previous high, so I can anticipate it to attack the previous day's low and go for that fair value gap. So in real time, if you go back and watch the replay on the live stream, you will see exactly where I point that out. So anticipated British pound to go higher. Euro pound was extremely strong today, so we did get caught in some traffic because of that. But the idea behind it, we had a weak dollar, and we knew that looking at how the weekly profile was set up on British pound US dollar, that we had created the high of the week already, and we was pretty much bearish for the entire week. And I knew, being it Thursday, I was expecting a midweek, late week reversal. And so what framed that idea is seeing that accumulation, seeing the Asian range, and seeing that opening price drop 10 to 20 pips below the Asian range, that Judas swing or that turtle soup. I actually got into the trade within 10 pips of it dropping below the opening price during London. Price came up, it came back down. I definitely ate some drawdown. I had a protective 30 pips stop loss. My target, was well over 50 pips. So I was comfortable with that just because it's the end of the week and I was just trying to get some momentum in taking that trade. So I was pretty aggressive. What happened, we got that consolidation because Euro pound was really strong. The euro was very strong today. It made an explosive move to the upside, so which it really stalled. It stalled GbpUsd somewhat, and so we also noticed during New York session that we had this sell stop, these sell stops here. So I anticipated to take a second position had we dropped 20 pips below, which I had marked here. So this is where I was going to take a second position at the moment, and I was assuming that this could have been the low of the day, but it came back down. I didn't get scared because I just knew the dollar was weak, so I knew we would go up. I knew we would be in some heavy traffic or heavy consolidation, but overall I knew the bias would be going up and just because of market sentiment. So we created that low of the day during the New York session. We came up. I knew these equal highs. I wanted us to get above opening price. We got above opening price. I was looking for us to kill these equal highs and take out these buy stops, which at this point I said on the live stream, once we closed above opening price, that I was gonna pay myself, take 10 pips off, and move my stop loss to break even at that point. And so what happened, we wound up coming back down. gyrating back up. Once it came back up above opening price, I just collapsed the trade altogether, just because the price action was not as as I wish. It is Thursday, so I wasn't really expecting too much, but that's just a breakdown of my trade today. And if you guys want to see more live and in action, I'm live every single morning. Tap in, make sure you hit your notification bells. Until next time, man, we'll talk soon.